right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the window menu. So let's go up to the top menu here, click on window, and you'll see a whole bunch of information here, okay? So if I go to workspace, they have a variety of options here. And one thing I'm going to tell you is we have an entire section dedicated to this. So I'm literally just going to read over this quickly. So all the different workspaces available to you are all panels, animation, color, default, effects, essential graphics, learn, libraries, minimal, motion tracking, paint, small screen, standard, text, and undocked panels. We're also going to talk about how to edit workspaces as well. Okay, you can assign shortcut to default workspaces if you want. That's here. Find extensions on Exchange. Okay, so what are extensions? Well, let's go ahead and let's click on this, and we'll get kind of an idea of some of the extensions you can get for After Effects. Okay, so I'll bring this over, and this is specific to After Effects. If you see the AE next to it, which stands for After Effects, then it's available for After Effects. Okay, so you have Lottie files for After Effects, preview, test, and export your animations in this Lottie format for use on the web and mobile apps. And they have access to thousands of free premium animations. Okay, that's just one example. There's a lot more here. Easy Edit Viewer, 3,000 plus pre-made video templates for After Effects and Premiere Pro. Try 9 packs right now, in which these are more than 100 plus free templates. So one thing I'm going to tell you about templates for After Effects, for Premiere Pro, any type of video application, I recommend it, okay? Why? You say, why, Josh? Why would you recommend it? Well, here's why. Before I go any further, let me save this. Okay. The reason why you want to utilize templates is to practice and learn. That's really the idea behind it, okay? It doesn't mean that you shouldn't build stuff from scratch. I'm not saying that. But if you build everything from scratch and don't get any inspiration from anybody else's work, then you're kind of limited to your own perspective. And so what I've found is if you are teachable, if you are moldable, okay, when you're learning and you say, hey, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to be open-minded to the idea that I don't know everything or anything, and I just want to obtain information. I want to gain knowledge. Instead of being an expert, I want to gain knowledge and then become an expert. That's how you do it, okay? I still utilize that very mindset to this day, and I have 20 years of experience with After Effects, Premiere Pro, Photoshop, all the Creative Cloud applications. I've been using them for 20 years, and I still have that mindset. Why? Because I want to learn every day. I don't want to just be stagnant and say, well, I know everything. I don't need to learn anything else. That's simply not true. The software is changing every year, so you have to be learning at some level. You have to be learning, you know, because they're changing tools and different things like that. Okay, so we talked about extensions, we talked about workspaces, panels. So we have Align, Audio, Brushes, Character, Content Aware Fill, Effects and Presets, Essential Graphics, Info, Learn, Libraries, Luminosity Scopes, Mask Interpolation, Media Browser, Metadata, Motion Sketch, Paint, Paragraph, Preview, Progress, Smoother, Tools, Tracker, and Wiggler. All these different panels we're going to be talking about in depth in Section 8 panels. So I'm not going to go any further than that with that, okay? And then this stuff here is panels that are open or closed. So if they have a check mark next to them, they're open. If they don't, they're not open right now. Okay, so like render queue, now it's turned on. So if I go back up here to window, you'll notice it's open. If I uncheck that or just click it, now it's gone. Okay, I'm going to save this. And that is window. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.